Hello friends, today I am going to unbox my new alarm watch. It's a digital watch with some feature of the temperature, and of course it's made in China, as we can see here, and imported by a German e-commerce company from Frankfurt. And here it's written some specs, model number. It's Ucho Electronic Company Limited, the company who manufactured this nice watch. It's a table watch, and here we can see all the feature. So alarm, sleep mode, time, temperature, brightness, like this. So let's open it. And the the brand name is Besvic. So this is the watch. As we all know that every electronic product, it comes with some user manual, kind of documentations book, and one cable. It's a power cable with type C and USB type A in the other side. So there is no more AC cord, the traditional AC cord. So then we can easily assume that the whole device is running with DC. That's why. And here is the back side. There are some physical buttons like alarm, timing, on off, increase, decrease, and this is the power port with USB type C, and this is the reset button. And here are the specs again. And it feels like wooden finish. I think it's made by wood. I mean the processed wood, because I thought at the beginning it should be like a wooden finish, but actually it could be like plastic. But now I can feel that it's genuinely made by wood. And this is the front side, but this is the front side, and there the time and temperature will be appear. So this is the display, but we can't see the display right now. When we power in, plug in, then we can see the display. At first we need to pull out this plastic wrapping. Yes, and here is the battery. Okay, and if we turn on, let's turn on. And now we need to plug with USB type C. So yeah, so as you can see, there was nothing, uh, but now magically it's appear the display and the temperature in Fahrenheit. So this is the temperature from the outside. So that's it. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.